Let's do a problem that involves fractions. Anytime in class that I put a problem on the board that involved a fraction, my students would always flip out and say, "Oh my gosh, I hate fractions, they're so difficult." And I would tell them, it's really not that difficult. So I want you to take a look. I always told them, if you see fractions and you don't like them, just get rid of them. So take a look. I have here, we're solving for x. So I have here the quantity x plus 1 divided by 5 plus the quantity 3x minus 2 divided by 4 equals 13, and I want to solve for x. So I have two fractions here, x plus 1 over 5 and 3x minus 2 over 4, and let's just get rid of them. Okay, so we're going to get rid of them one at a time. So think about it. If I multiply this fraction right here, okay, by 5, I can get rid of it. But remember, I'm not going to multiply. I'm going to erase that. I'm not going to multiply them individually. I'm going to do it by multiplying each side. So if I multiply this side by 5, okay, and then remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other, so I need to multiply that side by 5. Now watch. So I distribute the 5 in, okay, so then it becomes 5 times the quantity x plus 1, okay, over 5, plus, and then it was 5, because I distributed it, times the quantity 3x minus 2 over 4. And that's going to equal 13 times 5, which is 65. Okay, look at this. Check your later denominator. Now I'm down to x plus 1 over 1, which I don't have to write, okay, because it's gone. Okay, my denominator is gone, plus 5 times 3x, the quantity 3x minus 2 over 4, and that equals 65. Look at how easy that was. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this denominator here. I don't like the 4, don't like fractions, just get rid of them. So I am just going to multiply this entire side by 4. Okay, and then of course whatever you do to one side you have to do to the other. Okay, now I just distribute the 4, but remember I need to distribute it to the x, to the 1, and then also to this over here. Okay, so now what I'm looking at is 4 times x is 4x. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4, plus, and then it's just going to be 4 times 5 times the quantity 3x minus 2, and then over 4, equals 65 times 4, which is 260. Okay, now look at this, a 4 in the numerator, a 4 in the denominator. Check your later denominator. Okay, I'm just going to move this up a little bit so we can see a little bit better here. Okay, so now we're looking at 4x plus 4 plus, and then we've got 5 times the quantity 3x minus 2, and that's going to equal 260. Okay, look at that. Look at that. No more fractions. And that wasn't hard at all. You know what I mean? So now let's just finish it out. Distribute the 5 in. So 4x plus 4 equals, oops, what am I doing? Getting ahead of myself here. I'm so excited I got rid of the fractions. Okay, plus 15x minus 10 equals 260. Okay, so combine like terms. I got a 4x and a 15x. That's going to be 19x. And then it's going to be a positive 4 and negative 10, so it's going to be minus 6 equals 260. Add 6 to both sides. So 19x equals 266. Then I'm just going to kind of come up here so I don't have to scroll that down again. So I'm just going to rewrite this. 19x equals 266. Okay, so I can see. All right, now I'm just going to divide by 19. Divide both sides by 19. See you later. Okay, I'm left with x equals 266 divided by 19 is 14. Boom. So that was pretty easy. So again, this is what I want you to remember. Don't be afraid of fractions. I know they look scary, but you can just get rid of the denominator. So just keep in your mind, don't like fractions, just get rid of them. You just want to be saying check your later denominator, and it's that easy, and then you're left with something that you're probably very comfortable solving. Great job.